compact your recyclables into high-density bales using the PC24 HD baler. With a combination of high press force, long full stroke and a small chamber, this machine is suitable for compacting numerous types of recyclable materials, such as plastic jugs, aluminium cans, PET bottles, and many other recyclables. With a special designed door, it is easy to insert your waste materials. The PC24 HD is also equipped with a draining system to collect fluid residuals from your waste materials. This machine is galvanized for high resistance when washed down and when compacting materials that contain liquid residuals. To ensure the chamber is not overloaded, the PC24 HD is equipped with a full indicator light, which flashes when the baler is full. A knife is mounted for cutting straps. You open the door with a strong threaded spindle. Now you can tie off the finished bale. Meets and exceeds ANSI and OSHA standards. Different options are available for this machine. This baler also comes in a painted version, if there are no hygienic demands. Recycle efficiently with our intelligent monitoring system, Brain, which gives you online access to your machines. A digital auto lock is designed to prevent unauthorized usage of your baler. Let's sum up. Fast cycle time, long full stroke. Strap rolls are placed in front of the machine. Experience the low noise level on the PC24 HD. Automatic full light indicator. Automatic bale ejection. Integrated draining system for residuals.